What are you guys doing?
Burying Christy.
Oh my goodness.
Her head won't be buried.
Okay.
No.
You're not going to bury her nose, are you? You like being buried, Christy?
Forgot that song.
That's one good way you can avoid a sunburn, isn't it? Cover up with sand. Okay, where are we? Do you guys know where we are?
At the beach.
You know what beach? At the Cayman Islands. We're on Grand Cayman. You know what do you know what this beach is called?
What?
Called Rum Point.
Rum Point? I don't get it.
It's just the name of it. It's like a point that sticks out where people go and snorkel, and there's Daddy coming in from snorkeling.
Wonder where Daddy is.
I see him. He's almost to the rope. You see him? He's out there snorkeling. And Rum Point. Sailboats. Anything here. Hammocks. A whole bit. Okay. You guys having fun today?
Yeah. You want to go to the turtle farm.
You know what today is?
What?
New Year's Eve day.
No. It's today Friday and tomorrow Saturday.
Now, today's Thursday, New Year's Eve.
Tomorrow Saturday.
Tomorrow's the first day, January 1, 1999.
Tomorrow's Daddy's birthday.
Yay. Here he comes, swimming. See his storm here. Already got his mask off. You can't even see anything under there. Got his glasses. There he is burping. Okay, goodbye.
You filming me, John?
Huh? You were burping. Did you have fun? You see any fish?
Yep.
Mess up on your legs. What?
Hey, Christy. Christy, what are you doing?
Water on it, so I can... No, after you bury it. Whoa! See? Keep moving, then let's one not to make cracks. Please.
What are you doing? Golly.
Stick the finger on my B-U-T-T.
Oh my goodness.
I taught her how to spell that. Christy, what's 10 plus 20?
Okay, guys, that's enough.
30. Yes. What's 10 plus 10?
Don't get better than this.
10. What's 30 plus 30? 3 plus 0. So what does that equal?